Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Looking to get Halifax debit card? Here's how to apply in just a few simple steps. First of all, make sure you have a Halifax current account. If you don't, you will need to open one online or in branch. Already a Halifax customer? Simply log into your online banking or the mobile app, go to go to manage cards and select request a debit card. Prefer face to face? Head to your nearest Halifax branch with your ID and representative will help you apply. Once approved, your new debit card will arrive within 5 to 7 working days. Don't forget to activate it before using. And that's it. Apply today and start banking with ease. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.